Hello guys, so in this video we will learn about the VBA and Excel tutorial summaries. Okay, so मैंने ये सारे projects and content बनाए हैं based on my experience, and because of this uh, I have achieved lot of things in automation and data field, especially in Excel related things. So if you want to learn all these stuffs, okay, then you can buy my video tutorial on this descriptions whatever I just filled in my YouTube. Okay, sorry, बहुत ज़्यादा में बता दिया, ठीक है. So if you want to purchase this kind of material thing, okay, this kind of videos, project VBA projects video, then you can just go to my website which I mentioned in my below YouTube description, and you can purchase from it. So let's cover what exactly comes in this video. So first of all thing is that अगर आपको सच्ची में बहुत ज़्यादा लर्न करना है VBA Excel में, मास्टरिंग करनी है, so this video tutorial will be very helpful to you. First of all, what exactly covering in this video, so let's go one by one. So as per my experience, I have built a lot of videos. Now this is just summary of all this video, what exactly in those video will cover, that I will explain you in these videos. So VBA videos content, add new line inside cell. So what exactly this video tutorial does, whenever if you see your project contents in your cells, data is coming like this way, right? Okay, so what exactly this will do inside your cell, if your data is come like this way, then it will just separate it like this E column way. So this will automatically create a new line inside the cells, and for that I had created sheet all name function, which is actually VBA function. So you will learn how to create this kind of thing, add sheet with formula. Okay, so using this tutorial videos, you will learn how you can add the sheet and also copy the data in that sheet. Thermometer chain, you can just start to create your one design using thermometer kind of visual in Excel VBA. In this video tutorial, thermometer VBA chart, all these video are also in below given descriptions. What is this one? Assign random number. So using this VBA user form, you can create any random number between these two. This will help you to predict, and which is also will help you during the forecasting related things. Now go to the next one, assign user form in button. So you can also will learn how you can create this kind of user form. Now auto update date, using this user form, you can see it is automatically capturing the current date. So via VBA, how you can auto update the date, that you will also learn. And it will also extract, if you can also create UDF function where you can get the total numbers and you can sum, count or average those numbers. If you see 1 2 3 3 1 3 3 3, then this will give you the sum of 16. Okay, so this kind of functionality you can also create in UDF VBA, which you will learn in my tutorial videos. And detect input box, so you will also can create this kind of UI and also can pick up and do some computations on that data. Okay, using this user VBA, and change chart selection. You can also create these types of chart selections, like whenever you just hover, this will automatically fill and collect the charts. Change chart checkbox, so you can checkbox wise add the multiple line chart using Excel VBA. This you will also learn in this tutorial video. Chat event, so if you select any particular part of chart, then this will automatically change your beside chart based on the selection. So this you will also learn in this VBA tutorial related thing. Identify cell by formula. Okay, what exactly this will do? If suppose there is some formula in these cells, okay, now then this will automatically detect in this check formula color tutorial and color based formula. So you will also learn how you can get the count sum based on the colored cells. So let's say if this color is brown, so this will give you brown related cells sums or count, whatever you will mention. This I have also mentioned how we can learn this in my tutorial video. Consolidated files, so you can consolidate multiple Excel files based on that extension in the tutorial videos. And the same way you can consolidate the sheets and you can just give any you can consolidate any particular sheet based on your input. You can copy paste the data from one file to another file or multiple file. Also count number, you can count multiple number based on the multiple sheets parameters. You can create multiple folders, whatever value you will assign in cells. It will also detect which cell is protected or not, and that will also colored. And you can also do via the conditional formatting that I have also explained in my tutorial video. Display chart, you can also create this interactive user form or window applications types of functionality using this user form VBA. This I have also mentioned how you can learn how you can create this thing. And okay, you can also create a dynamic VLOOKUP. Dynamic VLOOKUP, it's not VBA, it's a consolidated formula, okay, which I have created based on the multiple VLOOKUP and all. And dynamically you can dynamically sort the table, okay, using this parameters value. Find duplicate value, you can also find the duplicate value using conditional formatting. You can also apply the formulas, you can also copy the range from one sheet to another, and you can also format the particular sheet. That all you can do. You can get all your sheet name in one particular cell or in one sheet. After just watch my tutorials, you can also get the last word of the files. You will also get the in which sheet you are currently working using this UDF functions. You can also highlight the particular condition. You can create the shapes animation also, and you will also learn what is the if and end function and how to reverse the data or words using string. You can apply multi-lookup function. Now currently VLOOKUP capture first value, so using multi-lookup it will capture multiple values at the same time. That I have also mentioned in my tutorial videos. Multiple criteria range, so you can create multiple criteria range based on multiple conditions. So if you see mobile B23 based on this number, so you can apply multiple criteria range. NPS, net promoter score, how to calculate that I have also mentioned. Rank for formula, you can start to apply the rank formula. If your cell containing some hygiene issues, you can also remove that hygiene issues using this extra line cells. Select desired set. If suppose in your file there are multiple sheets, then you can go to that sheet using this form, okay, directly without touching this kind of things. Some event number, it is a demo project where you can get what is the sum and event number, and you can create this kind of user form. In my tutorial, you can also will learn how you can protect the sheet, unprotect VBA project window without any password. You can learn how to crack it. VBA fetch data, you can fetch the data from multiple sheets using this input value. you can learn how to create user form. So this all you can learn in my this tutorial videos. If you focus on the video, you will definitely learn a lot of things, but for that you will have to go through all the video, and I promise you will definitely get mastering in VBA and Excel once you go through my video. And at least you will also crack complex interview questions and tasks. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.